cases, you may need to get the ID of the last record that was inserted or updated into your database. We can do that using the Get Last ID function. We can implement this function in our last script by inserting the following syntax. In our if statement, we've stored the value of the last ID in this variable. We can then output the variable value in an echo statement. So we'll modify our echo statement to look like this. So if the record was successfully created, we'll get a statement, new record created successfully, record ID is, and then it'll output the value of the last ID. So let's test the script to make sure it works. I've saved the file, and I'm just going to reload the form, and I'll enter some information. Okay, so we can see the messages popped up, and the record ID is 32, so we can verify that in our database. So I've pulled up the table in PhpMyAdmin, and I'm going to click refresh. So you can see that the last record was entered successfully, and the ID is in fact 32.